Some of the most common problems we find with drives are when the firmware fails and we have to organize a firmware fix or repair the firmware, or when the head crashes into the platter. This might happen when a customer is moving the drive or if the drive has some vibration while it's in motion. Also, there are some problems with SSDs that we can fix by using a firmware solution, or we can bypass the drive's firmware and work directly with the memory chips. We also recover data from many flash drives. Quite often these flash drives have a broken connector from when the customer has dropped the laptop with the flash drive attached. Sometimes the cheap components on the flash drive just wear out, and we're able to recover the data by circumventing these components. In some cases, the memory chip or the controller has failed, and we will need to remove the memory chip and create a recovery from just the memory chip itself.